Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Dragon's ECommerce dropshipping course. If you guys are new here and you want to watch this video in Hindi and Urdu, you can visit our channel and you can grab the free whole dropshipping course there. So today we are going to talk about dropshipping. What is dropshipping and how it actually works? So first of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business does not keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party. For example, if you are new and you wanted to sell products online and you don't have much money in your pocket, you don't have a big budget, and you don't have a warehouse to keep your inventory, to store your inventory. So, this is all we are talking about drop shipping. This is what drop shipping is. So, in drop shipping, you don't need a warehouse to store your inventory. As a seller came to your listing and places an order, now you just have to do is you have to forward that order to the supplier. Now the supplier will directly ship that order to the customer. So this is actually drop shipping. So for your convenience and clearing your all doubts, here is the structure of drop shipping. For example, you open a store on Amazon. So your first step is to find a supplier that can give you the product at cheaper price and in a good quality. So there are many online selling purchasing sites, for example, Sam's Club, eBay, Walmart, Amazon. So your first step is to find a supplier, then hunt the product from that supplier. For example, you select the Walmart, you hunt product there, good products that is the price of that is with the price of $50. So now you have to list that product on your Amazon account as me to listing. It's all up to you in what price you want to sell. For example, you listed that product in price of $80. Okay. Now the customer will come to your listing and places order, pays you the retail price, that is $80. Now you keep the $30 profit in your pocket and you forward that order to the supplier directly. Now the supplier will make sure that product is shipped on the time to the customer. Supplier will ship the product directly to your customer. So this is what actually the drop shipping circle. The customer will place order to you. You will forward that order to the supplier directly, and the supplier directly ship that item to the customer. So this is the chain of drop shipping. So in this course, we will discuss these three dropshipping modules: Amazon to Amazon, and Sam's Club to Amazon, Walmart to Amazon dropshipping. So in Amazon to Amazon dropshipping, this is all around Amazon. We will hunt the product from Amazon and we will list the product to our Amazon Seller Central. So if a customer came and places the order, we will ship that item from Amazon to. So in Sam's Club, we will hunt the product from Sam's Club and list to our Amazon store. And the customer, and when customer places order to our Amazon store, we will ship the same product from Sam's Club to that customer. So Walmart is same to Sam's Club. We will hunt the product from Sam's Club and we will list that to our Amazon store. And a customer, and as customer came and placed order to our Amazon store, we will ship that product to we will ship that product from Walmart. Okay. So now the question is, drop shipping safe or not? Actually, drop shipping is safe if you are a professional and you are in a good in it. So you can run the business smoothly if you are fulfilling the orders on time and keeping in mind the rules and regulations. Then I'm totally sure that there will nothing to be worried. There is everything on the channel. You can see how to avoid these kind of restrictions. You can visit the channel and you can grab the whole Amazon FBA course and dropshipping course. So if you guys are new, I will recommend you to visit our store, visit our channel, and grab the courses for free. So thank you. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel Thank you so much.